Hello everybody, so today I'm going to be doing a farm tour of my uncle's farm, my granddad's farm really. So you have cats up there really. So I think those are fertilizer bags. I'm just going to head into it. We got a tool shed back there, cow shed up there, sheep shed. There's a tractor. I might go and show you guys. What is he doing under there? There's a cat under there. He's like so close. He's like just like right there. I don't know. He's not scared of me. Today he was scared of me. It's got a bit of junk here. I don't know. It might be used in the future. Got turf here. Got a sheep pen, I think. There's not sheep pen or something to like if you're putting needles or weighing them. I think that's weighing them. You got a trailer here. Someone's trailer just came here. I got a go-kart. So here, got a fertilizer, top of a fertilizer. Oh, this is the weighing thing. I used this a few days ago. I mean, my uncle owns the farm because my granddad is too old. Sorry if you don't hear my voice because there's legit sheep back there. And my uncle made a plate inside here where there's baby lambs, pet lambs in there. I guess I'll show you real quick. Oh shit. I can get through. There's sheep in there. Better close it. I never went in there by my own. Come on. Okay. Yeah. So you got a decided to grab here. You got a loader and a tractor. So this is the Ford New Holland. I'm pretty sure it's in New Holland. He told me it's in New Holland. So you got the loader stick there, up there somewhere. Pretty sure there's a black one like right there. Yeah, that's where it is. Got my not mine. Got the steering wheel there. And we got the fertilizer. Oh, there's some straw here. What is that? Oh, it's just a pallet. Got some straw here. Had some things from the house. Yeah, there used to be lots of straw bales here. Please don't fall. Okay, this is the fertilizer. Then we got some more bales. I'll show you up there. This is where the cats really live. They live in the turf shed. It's behind the tool shed. Oh my god, I nearly hit that. That's good. I just stepped on a pallet right there and I nearly slipped. Got something here that he's doing. Got some bills there. I just stepped on what is wrong with me today? I'm stepping on all the pallet. Or maybe they're just hiding or something. We got some water here. Got some buckets. Got a bucket. They're pretty much all drank the buckets. The livestock trailer. I think that's like for cows or something. You got, pretty sure this is for water, right? Yeah, a water trough for cows in fields. I don't know. There used to be chickens in there while a fox ate them all. So here we have a field. I don't know why it was open today. So this is a rotavator. I think it's like a cultivator. At the bottom here you have some lines. You got that. I forgot what it's called. I'm not really touching it. Got the windrower. When I used to play Farming Simulator, I play Farming Simulator by the way. Farming Simulator, not Farming Simulator. That's pretty wide. Well, that's almost my name. So, this is the windrower. Got attachment there. Got that. That's all I forgot. And then you got a con mower. Yeah, there's grass on it. Well, it's really new actually. It's good. Under here you got blades right in there. I think they're in there. I have to walk up that. There's a bucket there for some reason. I'll show you the second tractor. We got a brand new what you call it? Oh, another livestock trailer. And we got a thing that's brand new. It might be like 1 year old. What do you call these? Wheelbarrow, and then another one there. I thought we had like 5 wheelbarrows. We got a trailer here. Definitely not used for siding. This is used for turf. Once me and my uncle went on the Ford New Holland, and we used that for turf. Oh my god! Just hit my coat. It's alright, yeah. Thanks for showing you my coat. Got some barrel here. You got a bucket in there. Yeah. Got some stuff here. This is Massey Ferguson 65. Really, my dad just calls it 65. Got the steering wheel here. Got, I think that's for lights. Got the gear stick. Another something here. I don't know. I don't know what I'm saying because I never drove a tractor. Yeah, and then there's some bags up here. 65's eyes. I don't know what I just said. That's something here. Some project. And a needle there, just if I need one. Okay. Don't you be finding needles and touching them. So windy. I'll show you a few places. So this is the front lawn here. We call it. Got a bit of Kiwi lambs are right there. Over that shed. So I'm trying to jump over everything to show. So we got the pet lambs there. There's some sheep up there. And where I showed you two sheds right there. That's the turf shed. That's making noises. And then back there, that's an oil tank. And then on the right, there's a big field, and that's where some lambs are and moms. So there used to be turkeys. That's what you called it. I forgot. I'm forgetting everything. Okay, can just get up. So you have some lambs back there. Actually, got some bullocks could be in there. Some cows, like that's a place for medical reading. Oh. That's not even close. Okay, got some. I think one has a big lump, so it has a baby lamb in there, and no one in there. Those are the last 3 to get lambed. Saw a sheep get lambed once. So in the comments, don't ask me, did you ever see a sheep get lambed? Yes, I did. Only one time, really. Yeah. We got some traffic sometimes in the middle of the day when this is really their dinner. We have nuts. In the 2 shed we have nuts and cat food and dog food because we have a sheepdog. So yeah, that's here. Some dung back there. Yeah. This is where I saw the sheep get lambed. It was like 3 or 2 months ago. Once. I think different wellies. Yeah, they were blue. My favorite color. Once they got stuck like right there, there was a big line of mud, and I was like walking on it. Once I went, there's a sewer here, really bad. So once I went in the night, just for like a little tour, just to look around places, and pretty much went around the whole field to go get to. Then we got some silage bales here. Jump over this. Not really jumping, I'm climbing. people say jump, Irish people like me. So here, some fungus growing. Here's a silage. That's poison. Yeah, you got some. It's like a bull. Yeah, these are right. So there are silage bales there. There's a bit of silage back there. I'll show you in a second. There's silage on the ground for one of the bales. So yeah, I'm pretty sure we're okay with stuff. I love this farm. Wish I was living on this place for a million years. Even we won't have paid it last until the next person right now who's born. If I was 100 right now, the person who was born, he definitely would get some medical to live for 100 years more. Yeah, I love this place. Got some hay in there. And we ran out of straw. So now we're using hay. They can eat the hay, number one. Number two is you use as a manure. And number three is it's okay to use. They won't be poisoned. So yeah. Then we got a bale thing here. The whole bale. A bale, not bale. Yeah, I guess bale too. Yeah. Yeah, this is a tractor. Yeah, that's pretty much it. Hopefully, oh, we have one more thing. Let me jump and run. Oh, little trailer here. Used to pee here. And we got a New Holland baler. This is, you put this down inside the tractor. That goes down, turns on, picks up all the hay. You have that there. There's spider web right there. I hate spider. And then at the back there, might squeeze through here if I can. Give a like if I can squeeze through there. Oh, bro, no way. Everyone who watches this video has to like. Ah.